Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find titanium in Subnautica 2. In the early game you'll be using titanium to craft multiple things, including the survival multi-tool, for which you'll need 3 pieces. So the first thing I want you to do is go ahead and jump from your life pod, dive in, and then here you'll see these corals, you'll see reefs. You can pick up these water slugs as a bonus tip. You can use this to make drinking water, and then there you'll see this gray looking object. Now this is titanium. You just go up to it and left click on them. You'll find multiple right here around these reefs. It's a good structural material to build different items, and then you can go ahead and head back to your life pod to go ahead and craft different items. But that is how to find titanium in Subnautica 2. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well. I've also left a link in the description to a full playlist of Subnautica 2 tutorials. Thanks for watching.